cordless drill is probably the most useful power tool any household could have. This Ryobi 1 Plus percussion drill is ideal for drilling in wood, metal, or plastic, as well as driving screws or even drilling into masonry thanks to the hammer function. A 10mm keyless chuck makes it quick and easy to fit a wide selection of accessories. And with up to 45 Nm of torque, it has plenty of power to drill even large holes quickly. The variable speed trigger and 2-speed gearbox mean you're always in control. When screw driving, you can use the 24 torque settings to regulate the power of the drill, allowing you to set the screws exactly where you want them. And whenever the trigger is pulled, a handy LED lights up your work area. When combined with our 2.5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, you can drive up to 700 4x32mm screws per charge. If you're new to the 1 Plus system, you can pick this drill up as a starter kit with batteries and a charger. Otherwise, this drill is also sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your 1 Plus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the 1 Plus system of over 50 great tools for your home and garden, this super versatile 18-volt drill will work with any 1 Plus battery.